make a quick video about how I'm make add the sequence fabric to my shirts. The customer seems to love these. This is a regular t-shirt, as you can see. And you would take you would need the shirt, sequin fabric, sewing machine, thread, a seam ripper. I can't find my seam ripper, so I'm using my embroidery scissors. But I'm taking the shirt apart. I'm taking the shirt apart, ripping the thread that's keeping. I'm just taking the sleeves off. Okay. That is the sleeve. I took the sleeve off. I took my sleeve off. It's off. But I'm not gonna throw it away. We're gonna use this. We're gonna go. See? We're gonna go to the other side. The shirt should look like this with the sleeves out. With the sleeves out. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Remember, we took the sleeve apart from the shirt. So now I have my fabric. What I'll do with my fabric is I'm gonna take it. Sorry, y'all, I'm working with limited space. I actually work in my closet, and my closet isn't that small. This is a 2-bedroom apartment, so. But you have to do what you gotta do. You have to start off somewhere. First, let me tell you. Okay, fold your fabric. You're gonna fold it once over. And that same fold, you're gonna take your sleeve. And see, I don't like wasting fabric, so I'm gonna try to do this. Make this fold small. It's about the same as the sleeve. And I'm going to place it on the end. On the end, hopefully you can see it. Place it on the end, just like that. It's the same width as my sleeve. Okay, yeah, more sense. So now, after we do that, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to trace this. I'll trace it. Good night, baby. I don't know what you're crying for. I told you you're not finna sleep on my decorative pillows. Sorry, but you can't, okay? He likes to sleep on my decorated pillows. And I don't go for that on my pillows. Okay. So I did that one. And that's the trace. And so I can either put the other one on here and trace it, or I just put the same one here on here and trace that one. And we are done, done, done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this rest of the sleeve down. Oh, and I found my seam ripper, you see? And so that's that one. And you would take your pins, take some pins, and pin it. It's pinned. So I'm gonna do the next one like that. Sewing it together, sewing it the seam. Okay, here we go. Here we go again. Double stitch. Again, and you back stitch when you're in. It ain't going nowhere, sis. And so what I do with this is I trim this. Trim the excess. And that's basically that. One down, one to go. Repeat the steps over. Do my stuff. So then you're going to turn it inside out. Just like that. It's going to look like this. Inside out, and then you're going to sew along here. You're going to close it. Same with this one. Inside out and close it. Inside out and close it. Now, you're going to take a shirt, flip your shirt inside out, and your sleeve right side in. Then what you're going to do is you're going to stick the shirt like this. And you want, this is basically the shoulder. See how it's made? That is, this here is the shoulder. The top of that fold. And you're gonna line it, the shoulder up. You're gonna line the shoulder up. Can you see? Line the shoulder up with this inside out. That serge inside out. Line that up. And then you can pin it. You can start pinning it all around. If you're new to sewing, I'm not really new. I'm not an expert, but I know what I'm doing. So if you're familiar with your machine and you don't need any pinning, then that's good. But if you need some assistance keeping it straight all around, pin it all around. But I'm not gonna pin it all around. I want to put it on my machine. And start at the top of it. And work my little way all the way up. You took it apart, so it really has little holes in here that it could really be your guide if need be. Yeah, if need be. And when you're taking this shirt down, you don't want to stretch the sleeve. Because this fabric here, it depends on the fabric. Like I got this shirt from Jiffy. It's that good stretch material. You don't want to stretch it. Because when you sew it back on, it could be a problem. Back stitch. See, that's how it look. But like this part, this would be the part where if you have a serger, you serge all the way around. So I'm gonna do the other side. Where am I putting it? Oh, I'm gonna do the other side. Turn on the right side. And stick it in here, line it with the shoulder. Easy peasy. Let's get the sewing. Again, I'm doing this so I can give it a neater, crisp look. Nice and clean. See? So all you would do is make a design and place it on the front of the shirt.